This is SM Kausar. Once again in this tutorial I am going to tell you step by step process how to download from Snapchat image from your gallery. First, let's go start. At first click on your Snapchat account. After that you see top right corner your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. When you tap on your profile icon, top right corner you see this option setting menu. Tap on your setting menu. When you tap setting option, you will find scroll down, you see this option and memorize. Tap on this option memorize. Tap on here. When you tap here, you see this option save button. Click into the save button option. When you click save button, you also see this option memorize and camera roll. After then you camera roll only and you see it camera roll only. Let's back and you also pick your device. After then you find this option save button. Tap on here, your photo will be downloaded from your gallery. Thanks for watching this video.